So I'm out back in the cockpit today, March 1st, and we are passing by Ocean City, Maryland. And today I'm playing with the GoPro for the first time, all set up on the gimbal. There's quite a glare, so I can't really see what the camera is pointing at. And we are in a little bit of a swelly area. We've been in about 2 to 2.5 to 3 feet of swells all day out here in the Atlantic Ocean. We left where did we leave? Chincoteague this morning, and we're on our way to Cape May, New Jersey, and we're passing Ocean City. And right now, for the first time, I'm playing with the GoPro that is set up in our gimbal. Will help with the background noise and the wind noise when we're recording. I cannot zoom in and out on this GoPro, but I just wanted to see if I could get Ocean City on the camera. Trying very hard not to fall and steady this camera at the same time. So let's try that again. I just switched from my right hand holding the gimbal to my left hand. I still have quite a glare on my screen. I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna see, but this will be fun to figure out. Thanks for allowing me to experiment with you. So it is March 1st, and we are traveling from Chincoteague, Virginia, along the Atlantic Ocean, and you are looking at Ocean City, Maryland.